Hi friends, here is a nice problem that came in JEE Mains 2015. We have 1 cube by 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 3, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 5, so on. Basically, in the numerator, we have all cubes of first n natural numbers. And in the denominator, we have first n odd numbers. Right. Then, how do we solve this? So we can clearly see 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube. What is our Tn term? Tn term will be 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube in the numerator, and there will be n odd terms in the denominator. Right, like this. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube up to n cube, and 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, whatever are in n terms. There will be n terms in the denominator. Right. Then what is this 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube? We know the sum of cubes is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Right. We are just talking about the nth term. Right. Term n. Right. Term n is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square by the sum of all odd numbers. All first and odd numbers. We know this n square. Right. We already know that it is n square. Why it is n square? Simple, we can use n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. First, n, this is different. This is an arithmetic progression, right? First, n numbers, n by 2 into 2a. A is 1, 2 plus n minus 1 into d, n minus 1, and d is again 2. Right? 2 plus n minus 1 into 2, 2 plus 2n minus 2. So, by 2. Right? So, it will give n square. Right? Sum of first n odd numbers is n square. Please verify this. Okay, so what is our tnth term? N into n plus 1 by 2 whole square by n square. So this becomes n into n plus 1 whole square by 4, and this n square is there, right? This n square and this n square will cancel. So this can be simplified to n plus 1 whole square by 4. This and this will get cancelled. So our nth term is actually n plus 1 whole square by 4. This one, our nth term is actually n plus 1 square by 4. Right. Now, what is the sum? Sum of first 9 terms is the question, right? So that is 1 to n, these terms, n plus 1 whole square by 4. That means 1 by 4 into n plus 1. So it goes from 2 square, 3 square to 10 square, right? N equals 1 to n, 9 we have to do. That means this sum is actually from 2 square to 10 square, right? 1 by 4 into. Let us do one thing. This is almost sum of first squares of first n natural numbers. Right, just that one is missing. So let's add 1 and subtract 1. So let's add 1 square and subtract 1 square. Right. So then the sum of this one, what is this? 1 square plus 2 square up to 10 square. This is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. We know this formula. This also we know, right? We already proved this in some other video. Please go through that. Why is this? What is the proof of this? We proved this also. We proved this also in other set of videos. Right. Now, what is n here? N is 10. Right. So this part becomes 10 into 10 plus 1 into 2 10 times 10. 20 plus 1, 21. 10 into 11 into 21 by 6. This part is actually minus 1. What is this? 6. 3 will go 7 times and 2 will go 5 times. This becomes 5 into 11 into 7, which is 55 into 7, 385 minus 1, 384 by 4, which is actually equal to 96. Right, guys? Now, this problem was given in JEE Mains, but it's actually given in a simplified format. Right? It is clearly given on cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, etc. But even if it is given in this format, right? For example, if they had calculated these numbers, for example, 3 cube 27 plus 2 cube 8 plus 1, 27 plus 9, even if they have given like 36 by 9, then also we should be able to do this kind of this problem, right? Even if they had given in some other format, right, guys? Thank you.